Hi and welcome to Chemipedia chemistry classes for plus 2. We are going to discuss a topic, crystal defect or imperfection in solids, which is coming under unit number 6, solid state lesson. There are two types of crystal defects. One is stoichiometric defect, another one non-stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometry is balanced. Stoichiometry means balance. The total positive and negative charges are balanced in case of stoichiometric defects. This video I am going to discuss mainly the two important stoichiometric defects. The first one is Schottky defect, the other one is Frankel defect. Right. First let us see what is meant by Schottky defect. The Schottky defect in a crystal is due to missing of ions from lattice point. So Schottky defect arises because of missing of cation and anion, missing of certain number of ions from lattice points. Always in Schottky defect, equal number of cations and anions are missing. If one cation is missing from lattice point, the same way one anion also will be missing. Otherwise, if 5 cations are missing, equal number of anions will be missing, so that the compound is found to be neutral even after getting the defect. Then the compound is neutral because equal number of positive and negative ions are missing. So before getting the defect, the compound was neutral. Even after the crystal defect, the compound exists as a neutral one because equal number of cation and anions are missing, so that the missing of ion will not affect the neutrality of the compound. Then in what type of this Schottky defect is observed? This Schottky defect is observed in ionic crystals where the cation and anion are similar in size. The crystals in which there is no much difference. There is no much difference in size between cation and anion, only have these kind of Schottky defect. Then the impact of this Schottky defect, it affects the density of the crystal. Once a crystal gets this Schottky defect, then its density will be decreased than the expected value. Right. So this is the important points about Schottky defect. Due to missing of ions from lattice point, always equal number of cations and anions are missing. The compound is neutral even after the defect because always equal number of positive and negative ions are missing. This defect is observed in a crystals where the cation and anion are similar in size, or the cation and anion do not differ much in their size. Then the influence or impact of this crystal defect is it will affect the density of the crystal, which means due to this defect the density of the crystal is getting decreased. So now this is an example for Schottky defect, sodium chloride. Yeah, so now here this is nothing but the arrangement of ions in the sodium chloride crystal. The biggest sphere is nothing but Cl minus ion, the smaller one is Na plus ion. This is Cl minus, whereas this one is Na plus ion. Right. Now you can see in the second row, one Cl minus ion is missing, isn't it? Similarly, in the third row, one Na plus ion is missing. So this is a diagrammatic representation of Schottky defect. Here it is shown that one cation and one anion is missing from the lattice point, but any number of cation and anion will be missing, but it will be always equal. Then one example for how it affects density of crystal. Vanadium monoxide. For vanadium monoxide, the expected density is about 6.5 gram per cubic centimeter, but because of presence of this Schottky defect, the vanadium monoxide has density. The actual density of vanadium monoxide is only about 5.6 gram per cubic centimeter. Over here you can see that the density of vanadium monoxide is getting decreased. That is due to the missing of certain number of ions. Here the Schottky defect is observed about 14% in vanadium monoxide crystal. Then second type of stoichiometric defect is nothing but Frankel defect. The Frankel defect is due to displacement of ion to the interstitial space. Here not like Schottky defect. Schottky defect, the ion is totally missing from the crystal. It comes out of the crystal. Whereas in Frankel defect, the ions are missing from the lattice point, but they are not coming out of the crystal. They are simply gets dislocated to some other place. That they are getting dislocated to the interstitial space. What is meant by interstitial space? It is nothing but space between the particle. Empty space which is present between the particle. There only the missing ion is getting dislocated. Okay. Always cation is getting dislocated because cation is found to be smaller in size. Generally, that cation only can be dislocated to the interstitial position. Okay, then even here also the compound is found to be neutral after the defect because here there is no missing of any ion. So Frankel defect no ion is missing, just the ion's position is changed, isn't it? The ion is getting displaced to interstitial space. So no missing, so that the compound is absolutely neutral. Then in what kind of crystal this Frankel defect is observed now? It is observed in ionic compounds where the cation and anion are different in size, differ much in size. Normally, this Frankel defect is observed in crystals where anion is much larger than cation. That's the reason why cation is smaller, anion is larger. That's the reason why cation is only getting displaced. Then, unlike Schottky defect, this Frankel defect does not affect the density of crystal because here nothing is removed from the crystal, no missing of any ion from the crystal itself. It is just dislocated, so that this defect will not change the density of the crystal. Okay, right. So now the example for Frankel defect is AgBr. Okay, so this is the diagrammatic representation for Frankel defect. The bigger sphere is nothing but Br minus ion, bromide ion. The smaller one is nothing but Ag plus ion. You can see there are some lattice points found to be vacant, isn't it? They are due to the missing of Ag plus ions. The Ag plus ion is dislocated to the interstitial space. For example, the Ag plus which is missing here is dislocated here. Similarly, one more Ag plus ion is missing here, isn't it? That is getting dislocated to this position. Okay, right. So this is the nature of Frankel defect. Okay. So these are the two different types of stoichiometric defects. Just you can learn it like distinguish between Schottky and Frankel defect. Okay, right. Thank you.